Rule I-14, luck is preparation meeting opportunity. Imagine for a moment an archer in a field pulling his bow back with an arrow loaded on the string of the bow. He gets maximum tension on the bow and steadies himself for the release. He lets the arrow fly. Now you see, incredibly, there was no target. The arrow flies through the field and lands harmlessly 200 yards away. The archer was aiming at nothing? Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Successful people know that setting goals means planning, preparing, and yes, training as key elements of their successes. Successful people have targets they're aiming at. If you're in sales or are a primary producer for your firm, create a cookbook for your behavior, a recipe for success. Have a plan that looks out at least 3 years. Break out what you need to do on a quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily basis to hit your goals. Monetize your goals so you can track them and reward yourself with something you really want and can get excited about. Create an accountability partner with a like-minded peer and share your plan with them. They will ask you about it and help you keep and set your goals. It's ironic that the more prepared I am, the luckier I tend to get.